It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Can dogs eat eggs? Here's the truth. Can dogs eat eggs? It's a controversial topic, especially when it comes to raw eggs. People worry about issues like salmonella poisoning or even biotin deficiency from feeding dogs eggs. So, is it safe to give eggs to a dog? Let's take a closer look. 1. Raw eggs for dogs. Giving a dog raw eggs or eggshells isn't exactly a traditional dog food, but eggs have incredible health benefits for dogs. Here are some of the important nutrients in eggs. Protein. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of amino acids available, the building blocks of protein. By adding eggs to your dog's meals, you're increasing the protein in their diet. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs are an excellent source of nutrition, with a wide range of nutrients, such as vitamin A, folate, riboflavin, iron, vitamin B12, selenium, antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, fatty acids. 2. Do eggs pose a salmonella risk to dogs? Dogs have powerful digestive juices that allow them to easily eliminate salmonella and other bacteria present in raw foods. However, there are some aspects you should consider when choosing your dog's eggs to maintain normal bacterial levels. The health of the hen that lays the eggs is very important. Ideally, your dog should eat eggs from healthy, pasture-raised, and organic hens. Feed your dog quality eggs stored at cool temperatures to keep bacteria at a manageable level. 3. Can eggs cause a biotin deficiency in dogs? Biotin is one of the B vitamins. It's important for your dog's cell growth, fatty acid metabolism, and the health of their skin and coat. Egg whites contain avidin, a biotin inhibitor. However, consuming an excessive amount of eggs would lead to a deficiency. Egg yolks are very rich in biotin, so if you give your dog the whole egg, you don't need to worry. If you feed your dog a complete, fresh diet, there are other good sources of biotin as well. Liver is an especially good source. You can minimize this potential risk by cooking the egg white when you give your dog eggs, but your dog will lose much of its nutritional value. 4. Can dogs eat eggshells? Dogs can eat eggshells, as they provide calcium. A whole egg, including the shell and membrane, is a nearly complete food source for your dog. Phosphorus and calcium help your dog develop strong bones and teeth, and an egg contains almost all the amino acids your dog needs to stay healthy. And if your dog suffers from joint pain, the membrane lining the eggshell is rich in collagen, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, glucosamine. In the case of dogs with arthritis, eggshell membranes were found to significantly reduce joint pain in 51 dogs with joint problems. If you have a lot of patience, you can peel the membrane off the shell and give it to your dog directly. You can also buy eggshell membrane supplements or, the easiest way of all, give your dog the whole egg. Caution. If you want to give your dog the whole egg, be sure to buy it from a local market. Many supermarket eggs are sprayed with a chemical to make them look shiny. 5. Are eggshells a good substitute for bones? If your dog has trouble chewing bones, you can feed them eggshells for calcium, but keep in mind that eggshells don't contain phosphorus or magnesium, other important minerals found in bones and bone meal, so your dog will need other sources of these minerals. To add eggshells to your dog's food, dry them and then grind them in a clean grinder. To increase your dog's calcium intake, simply sprinkle half a teaspoon of powdered eggshell on their next meal. 6. Can puppies eat eggshells? Eggshells are safe for puppies, but they are not a good source of calcium. Puppies need plenty of calcium in their diet to strengthen their bones. However, the calcium present in eggshells is calcium carbonate, which dogs don't absorb well. As I mentioned earlier, powdered eggshells also lack magnesium and phosphorus. Fresh raw bone is the best source of calcium for puppies. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.